Welcome to Compass and Pencil.
Today we discuss chapter 1, question number 4. What do you think about the following questions? Do you find any problem with these questions? Describe. First question, how far do you live from the closest market? This question is ambiguous. The respondent will not be able to answer the question correctly. The correct question should be, how many kilometers is your home away from the closest market? We can write its option. Option A, less than 1 kilometer, between 1 kilometer to 2 kilometer, more than 2 kilometer. If plastic bags are only 5% of our garbage, should it be banned? Question is too long, which discourages people to complete the questionnaire. The correct question should be, do you think use of plastic bags should be banned? Options should be yes or no. Wouldn't you be opposed to increase in price of petrol? Although the answer to this question needs a wider view and knowledge of the economic condition and far-reaching effect of rise in petrol price, but the majority of people will argue against such a rise. More effective questions could be, do you think the hike of prices of petrol is justified? Options should be yes or no. Do you agree with the use of chemical fertilizers? Fourth question. Fifth question. Do you use fertilizers in your field? And sixth question. What is the yield per hectare in your field? There is no problem found, but the chronological order of these questions asked is incorrect. The correct order of the above questions should be first priority. What is the yield per hectare in the field? The next, do you use fertilizers in your fields? The next priority, do you agree with the use of chemical fertilizers? It is the correct chronological order. You want to do a research on the popularity of vegetable atta noodles among children. Design a suitable questionnaire for collecting this information. We can prepare a questionnaire. Basic data, name, age, address and sex. Then next, first question, do you like noodles? It is an yes or no question. Then next, do you like vegetable noodles? Yes or no question. How many packets do you consume in a month? First option, we take 1 to 2 packets, 3 to 5 packets and more than 5 packets. Fourth question, do you prefer atta noodles over maida noodles? It is an yes or no question. Which vegetable according to you should be added in present atta noodles? And next question, do you think it should be spicier? It is an yes or no question. And at what time of the day do you prefer the atta noodles the most? First option, we take day, afternoon, evening and night. Next question, we take, do your parents accompany you while having noodles? It is an yes or no question. In a village of 200 farms, a study was conducted to find the cropping pattern. Out of the 50 farms surveyed, 50% grew only wheat. Identify the population and the sample here. Here given in a village of 200 farms, these 200 farms are our population and we take 50 farms for survey. So these 50 farms are samples. A population is always all the individuals or items who possess certain characteristics according to the purpose of our survey. Sample refers a group or section of the population from which information is to be obtained. Give two examples each of sample, population and a variable. Population +1 student and samples selected from commerce, humanities, science students, and here variable we take height. The next example, population, family and sample rural and urban families, and variable we take income.